Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a luxury handbag unboxing on a budget. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that is pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. I also wanted to mention that I will be dropping a very special video this Pink Wednesday. I am doing a collaboration with the gorgeous Charla, and I am so incredibly excited. I had to let you all know, so make sure you stay posted for that. That'll be this Wednesday. So let's go ahead and get started with today's unboxing. So like I mentioned, today's unboxing is on a luxury, on a budget kind of a handbag, if you know what I mean. And I love handbags, and I love all kinds. I love both luxury and the affordable kinds, and it's for my personal use, so I'm totally fine with it. Plus, sometimes you use handbags only a little bit, and most of the time they're just kind of stored. So that's why I decided to give this a try, and I do have other bags from this same seller that I have gotten in the past, and I absolutely love them. So when they reached out to me, of course I said yes, because all their handbags are gorgeous and they are really good quality. By the way, they were super kind enough to give me a coupon code, which I will leave down below, and as well as the name of this gorgeous bag with the links and all down below. But this bag is from Tide Locker, and they have tons and tons of different brands, and the quality on their handbags and all their accessories are incredible. So today's handbag is a LV bag, and I am so excited. I picked this out, and it was really hard. Every time I go on the website, it's like so hard for me to choose the one, but when I saw this, I was like, this is beautiful. It's almost like a 2-in-1, and you'll see why. But let's go over the packaging, the shipping, and all that. So shipping took probably about 2 weeks, if not less, which is super fast. And packaging, it's incredible. It's literally incredible. The box, everything, you can see like the logo, and it honestly looks like the real deal. Look how cool this is. And it's like the same kind of box, like the magnetic one. And they always include a shopping bag. So here is the bag, and then you get the handbag. So as you can see, it comes incredibly wrapped really well. Look at this beauty. How gorgeous is she? The quality on this handbag is incredible. It is so on point. Everything from like the hardware, the stitching, everything. I am obsessed. Oh, this is really spacious. I love this. I'm going to be able to put so many things inside, and there is a little dust bag in there. So all their bags come with dust bags. Here it is. Okay, so this is the part why I chose this bag and why I said it's almost like a 2-in-1, and that is because this beautiful bag comes with two. So you get like a smaller one that attaches to this one, and you can also use this separately. And this one is so pretty. It's pink and it's gorgeous. I love how it looks like together. Look how pretty they are. This looks so pretty paired up together like this. It is gorgeous. This is the inside. Look how spacious this is. It is extremely nice, and it's like made out of this like super soft, almost like suede material. There's like no smell, no scent, nothing. I know a lot of people worry about that with like these kind of bags, but honestly I don't smell anything, like anything different. And it does have like a little separate compartment in here, so you can put like cards or whatever you need to put in there. And all the way on the back there's like a little tag with a date code. The strap is the same color as the main handbag, which is that soft beige. And the strap is really nice. So let's move on to the little one, the pink one. How cute is this? Wow, this is so pretty, and the inside is pink. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So this one comes with these chains like this, which attach to that bag. So it's almost kind of like you wear this with a strap and just kind of like over it. So I'll have to link them together to show you what it looks like. So let me go ahead and take all this like wrapping off, and I'll be right back. So this is what I was talking about. Look how gorgeous it looks once it's like paired up with the big bag and it's attached to the strap. I absolutely love it. I think the contrast between the beige and the pink, it just looks so pretty, and I'm so glad I chose this handbag. It's literally like having two bags in one, and you can detach this if you don't want to have it hanging from the strap. You can definitely detach it. It has like detachable little hooks, and you can use it as a little wallet, as a little clutch. Isn't this like adorable? I really love it. It is so cute. It does have this little kind of a closure that you just twist it and it opens like so, and it closes very effortlessly. I am obsessed. This is so pretty, and the strap right here is also adjustable, so you can definitely make that like longer if you wish. But what do you girls think? Isn't this like such a beauty? I think it's gorgeous. So I thought I'd share with you some clips on how this looks styled. So here it is with both the main handbag and then the little clutch attached to it. It does have like the shorter strap right now, so I haven't adjusted it, just so you can get an idea on what it looks like. I am 5'6" for reference, FYI. So this is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty. I really like it. This is so cute. It is so stylish, and I just love how this kind of looks on the top, to be honest with you. I think it's definitely very cute, and I think I'm definitely going to style it like this, with both of them just kind of hanging like that. It looks so adorable. So let's go ahead and make the strap longer. This reminds me of my Neo Noe strap. So here it is. Now it's like extra big. This is what it looks like as a regular handbag. So it hits me right below the hip area like this. And then as a crossbody, like this. So it's so cute. I really love it. So for reference, this beautiful bag is called the LV Twist and Twisty EPI MM Pink and Beige. And it is gorgeous. I can't wait to rock this. I am obsessed. It's such a beauty. So that was it for today's unboxing. I really hope you loved today's video. As always, I'm going to leave you all the links and details down below, or you can also send me a message through my Instagram. I'll also share it with you there, as well as the coupon code. And that was it for today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.